So I am Joe Ariel, class of '99, founder and CEO of Goldbelly. Like so many new Vanderbilt students who moved to Nashville with their first credit card, I unknowingly enrolled in Southern Food 101. In New York, I grew up with lots of comfort foods: bagels, pizza, pastrami, cheesecake. But moving to Nashville was like traveling to a foodie version of Mars. Loveless Cafe biscuits, pancake pantry brunches, Arnold's Meat and Threes, Rotier's cheeseburgers on French bread. Have you guys had those? Rumor has it Jimmy Buffett, rest in peace, wrote the song after Rotier's. Hot chicken we can't forget from Prince's and now Hattie B's. My freshman 15 was more like a 20, 25, I'd say. Years later, after moving back to New York, there was nothing I craved more than those food memories. This led to the birth of Goldbelly and our mission to connect people with their most cherished food memories. It was when I received that first box of food in the mail that I realized that nostalgia is the world's most delicious ingredient. And for me, that nostalgia was for my time at Vanderbilt. My Vandy roots go back to the dorm room. Big shout out to Branscombe, Lupton 2, Mayfield 13. I learned from obviously some of the best professors in the world, like Professor Buckles in the econ department, Professor Wilshire in philosophy. But Vanderbilt also gave me the space to be creative outside of the classroom. I was able to start a radio show on WRVU. I started a TV show called VTV Sports with my friend Kevin Luckerson. Now, we were able to travel to different cities to cover the games and actually get advertisers to sponsor our travels. It was my first exhilarating entrepreneurial experience. My first friends at Vanderbilt became lifelong friends, and a few are actually here tonight. Many didn't show up. And guess who became Goldbelly's very first seed and angel investors? It was 4 Vandy alumni. And by the way, that was at a time when 50 VCs in New York said no and couldn't even understand what the concept for Goldbelly was. That's a story for a different day. Just as a great meal is best shared with friends, the entrepreneur's journey is best with a strong support system. And Vanderbilt gave me all the delicious ingredients to create that recipe. My Dare to Grow story started right here. And it's taken me on a journey that I never could have imagined. Thank you very much.